Hi guys, I'm Shushank, and if I ask you what makes a startup great, what makes a company great, someone will say products, someone will say research, but the answer is not all of this. The answer is market research. Yes people, you have heard right, market research. Now if you see people our life, it has changed drastically from the past 15 to 20 years. And today, on a tap of a button, we get the food, on a tap of a button, we get a clothes and whatever we want within a day. So we can't imagine our life without Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato and Swiggy and etc. and etc. I hope guys everyone have traveled in a Kali Pili taxi. But today we can't imagine our life without the Ola and Uber. So let us understand this concept of market research with how Portugal ended the drug crisis. Now people, back in the 1990, Portugal was going through this drug crisis. And the situation was so bad that the 1% of the total population of the Portugal was going through this drug crisis. And none of the members in a family was not connected with the drug addicts. And the populations were increasing and Portugal was going through this economic depression also. So you can imagine how badly the situation of Portugal was. So the government came up with a solution and government announced that let us spend the 90% of the total GDP on enforcement and 10% on health sector. As it turns out people, the number of beds in a rehabilitation center started decreasing. And guys, if you want to know whether the policy is working or not, just go to the rehabilitation center, start counting the number of the people who were accumulated the beds. If the number of beds started decreasing, it means the policy got failed, and this is what happened with the Portugal also. So the Portugal failed very badly. One of the doctor guys made the research team and they came up with one of the radical solution that why not to talk directly to the stakeholder and ask them questions that what their problem is. But the parliament members said that we are not drug addicts, so how can we know what they are thinking, what their mindset is. So they went to the stakeholder, asked the question that what's your problem guys. So that they came out with the solution that peoples are not criminals. Yes, peoples are not criminals. They are scared from going to the jail, because if I am consuming the drugs and if I catch by the police, then I have to go for jail 3 years and also I have to pay the penalty. And this is turns out people, they came to know the problem of these stakeholders. So the government made changes in a budget and government announced that the 90% of the money now spent on health and 10% were spent on enforcement. As it turns out people, the number of the beds in a rehabilitation center started increasing. People started going to rehabilitation center. Now if I am consuming the drug, then I don't have to go to jail anymore. I will be sent to the mentor who will teach me, who will guide me about my health and how the drugs is harmful for my health also and for also my future generation. As it turns out people, he created the awareness between the people and the people started decreasing consuming the drugs. And the fun fact is, the countries who is laughing on the Portugal, like the United States, now today if you see the number, United States is one of the most dangerous country in the world in terms of drugs, and Portugal is one of the most safest country in the world, because 250 people in a million were found drug addicts in America and 6 people in a million were found drug addicts in Portugal. So the moral of the story here is, good companies cares about their competitors, but the great companies cares about their customers. Good companies are everywhere, but the great companies is your choice. So what are you willing for your companies? Thank you.